When you want it done the right way, Toledo Door and Window, home of the talking door.
It's closer to 400 years of experience, total company, including the sales and the inside staff. But our field and installation people and our entire office staff and sales staff, combined experience within our company of approximately 28 employees nearly exceeds 400 years combined experience amongst all of our people, which translates into several people with 30 plus years. Mike, over 30 years. Marsha, our sales manager, over 30 years. Jim Sandlin, one of our commercial installers, well over 30 years. And we've got other techs between 20 and 30 years experience in the field. So breaking down that high number, there's a huge amount of people with a lot of years of experience in the business.
When you want it done the right way, Toledo Door and Window, home of the talking door.